Hi everyone and welcome back. Tonight we're going to do a Chinese dish, spicy chicken. Very few ingredients again, like my normal dishes, but you're sure to love it with some nice rice, a typical Chinese dish for a Saturday evening. I'm Stubbs and welcome to my kitchen. Then we've got some corn flour, we'll talk about that later, that's more to do with the marinade. Some chicken breasts cut into thin strips, about 1 centimetre long, some spring onion, some coriander, some unsalted, even unsalted peanuts, a mix of 5 peppers. You can use Szechuan pepper if you can get a hold of it, I couldn't unfortunately. Some chili flakes, some garlic, light and dark soy sauce, some groundnut oil and some sesame oil, and again, if you can get it, and I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing this right, Shaoxing rice wine. If you can get that, great. If not, sherry will do. We haven't been able to get out of it because we're in lockdown too, so we're using sherry. Okay guys, for the marinade then, what we're going to do, we've got some corn flour, or chicken strips, some sherry and some light soy sauce. Basically mix that all together and leave it for around about 20 minutes, or ideally overnight. We're probably going to do it for about 2 hours. So let's get stuck in. Okay, let's get started. Hang on. We're using the wok here, a frying pan would be perfectly adequate. A couple of tablespoons of groundnut oil. I'm taking the marinated chicken out of the fridge. It's been marinated for about 1.5 hours. I'm going to drain off that sauce and we're going to add that in and just warm that through and fry it off a little bit. We're just going to cook this through for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, what we're going to do now is just set that aside while we put together the remainder of the dish, and then we'll put it back in again. Okay, there's too much oil in there. Just use a tea towel to wipe that off. We're going to add the pepper and the chili flakes and the spring onion and garlic together, and we're just going to move that around just to let that catch it, and you'll get all the flavours. And what we're going to do then is add another 2 tablespoons of groundnut oil. Quite an active dish, but also really quick to cook, so you do have to keep on top of it. Not much point in walking away from that. We're going to add the chicken back to the spices and herbs. already looking really good. Now we're going to add all of the liquid, so a little water, some sherry, a little dark soy, and the remainder of the light soy. We're just going to coat that. What I should have said was, obviously we're serving this with boiled rice, straightforward boiled rice. We've never really talking about sides before, so maybe I'll do a video on the various sides, but this is just straightforward boiled rice. So there you go guys, looking really good at the moment, I have to say. So we're pretty much ready to go. Add a little bit of sesame oil, just a small amount. Sesame oil is really strong, but just a dribble there. As normal, we'll give you the ingredients at the end of the recipe. We're going to add our peanuts. We've broken them up to an extent, so it's up to you whether you do or you don't. You don't need to do it. So we're just mixing that in, and we're pretty much ready to serve. How quick was that? How easy was that? Give it a try guys. Give it a try. Okay, we're just going to give that 30 seconds or so just to let the peanuts get the coating in the sauce. We'll put a little bit in now, but the bulk of it is really progressing on the dish. So there you go guys, spicy Chinese chicken. Dead straightforward, pretty much job done. All we're going to do now is dish it up. Chinese spicy chicken. Give it a try. If you like it, give me the thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Like I said, it's free, but you do get to then to keep on top of all the content we're adding each week. So I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. So the rice is in there, straightforward boiled rice, but we will do a video of all of the sides that we do, especially with rice for Asian dishes, because it's not that straightforward. But wow, that looks awesome. And then just a little bit of coriander to finish off the dish. There you go guys, Chinese spicy chicken, job done.
We'll be using the marinade, darling.
Now we'll be using Ting Tongs.
Chopsticks.
Oh, we do that again.